Good morning, students. Welcome to the SST class. SST means Social Studies. Please take your text, the lesson Agriculture. Agriculture in India. Agriculture in India. Please take your text, page number 128, 28, 29. Today we will discuss about the development of agriculture in India, that is on page number 130. Please open. So, since the ages, people are using tools to work in the agricultural field, like simple sickles, plows, spade, etc. Earlier people used to make the plows out of wooden plows. These days metal plows are there, more lasting and stronger and well shaped. Sickles and spade, these are the tools for agricultural activities. Irrigation was also done manually. Manually means by hand, by human labor. A lot of changes have taken since the ages. After that, lot of changes have taken. In India, since independence, the agricultural progress has been made in great space. Many modern machines are used by farmers these days. After the Green Revolution was one of the periods where lot of improvement, lot of changes were brought in the field of agriculture. Okay, so India has been able to implement all these implements and the methods to produce and improve the agriculture. Some of the steps that government has taken to improve the condition of the agriculture and also the work, the production of agriculture, especially it has educated the farmers. Experts have been called to instruct the farmers how to work in the field with different methods and use of better seed, especially the hybrid seeds that increase the production. Next one is the providing farmers with high quality of seed. That is good. By providing financial help to the farmers to buy the machines like tractor and other modern equipments for agricultural activities. So loans have been given to the farmers. The multiple purpose project have been built to supply water and irrigation. That is what is not only for irrigation but also drinking and other purposes, or what called electricity production, the power generation. This called multi-purpose dams are built for that. These steps have been taken by government to have helped the farmers in the increase of agricultural production along with the maintenance of the quality of the produce. So these are the stakes. So please see that all these lessons that are. Next one is the livestock rearing. What is livestock rearing? So this also you need to read. Domesticating and looking after the animals are called livestock rearing, under which the cattle comes, the fowls comes, and the poultry farms. Okay, all those things are comes. So they are our livestock. Immediately we need, and then things are there in our for our services. From early morning till late night, these animals are being used in various ways, like chickens, the goats, the cows, and the buffaloes, cattle, sheep, fishing, piggery. All these are the livestock rearing. All these are the livestock rearing that comes. In next video, we will see the how much they have been